Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert Notepad to Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first method you can try is to just copy the text from Notepad and paste them to Excel sheet. To do this, open the Notepad file, press Ctrl+A to select and press Ctrl+C to copy. Now, open Microsoft Excel and paste the copied content into an Excel worksheet via Ctrl+V. After that, select the pasted column, click Data, then Text to Columns. Choose the delimiter, comma, tab, space as you need and finish the conversion. Save the file as XLS or XLSX accordingly by clicking Save As. The text file data will now appear in structured columns in Excel. The next method is to convert Notepad to Excel by using Power Query. Open Microsoft Excel, go to Data, and tap on Get Data. Select from File, then from Text/CSV, and choose the TXT file. Excel will preview the data. After that, adjust delimiter settings if you need and click Load. Once done, save it as your desired Excel file, XLS or XLSX. Your text file data will automatically be imported into Excel as a table. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to convert Notepad to Excel using 2 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.